Hey, what is up guys? So today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 2 and telling you my honest first impression. I'll also go over the setup process, new features, and do a sound test and a microphone test and much more. As always, links and timestamps to everything that I talk about in this video will be in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Let's go ahead and take it out of the shipping box that Best Buy put it in. Alright, so nice, the box is white and as usual, Apple always has a premium feel to their packaging. I always say that 25% or more of what we spend on the product from Apple is just for packaging because the packaging is so good, which add to the unboxing excitement. Now let's remove these premium tapes and open the AirPods Pro 2 box. First thing you're greeted with is the manual, which you guys already know, we don't read manuals around here, so let's throw that to the side. Right after the manual, you're greeted with the AirPods Pro 2, which is wrapped in a plastic packaging as usual. Now let's put that to the side, we come back to that really soon. Alright, next up we have the ear tips. AirPods Pro 2 comes with 4 different sizes ear tips. You have large, medium, small, and extra small. I am guessing that the medium one is currently on the AirPods Pro 2. I'm guessing they add the extra small ear tips because a lot of people are complaining that the previous AirPods Pro was too big for their ears. Inside the box we also get a lightning cable, which is USB-C on the other end, but as expected, no charging brick, and that's pretty much it for the box guys. Now let's bring our attention to the AirPods Pro 2. Firstly, the white color has a glossy finish to it, which I really like. On the side of the case it has a landlord loop which feels really strong. I like how the silver and the landlord complements the white color on the AirPods. On the bottom of the case it has a built-in speaker to help you find your AirPod if you lost it. Beside the speaker in the middle bottom of the case you have the lightning port for charging. Now let's open the case and take a look at the actual AirPods Pro 2. Wow, did you hear that sound when I opened the case? I really like that sound. Anyways, the AirPods Pro 2 feels really nice in my hands. Let's put them in my ear and see if the size fit well. This is the AirPods Pro 2 with the medium ear tip on. This is the AirPods Pro 2 with the large ear tip on. This is the AirPods Pro 2 with the small ear tip on. And last but not least, this is the AirPods Pro 2 with the extra small ear tip on. If you look closely on each AirPods Pro 2, it has a skin detection sensor, a microphone, and a noise cancellation microphone. The AirPods Pro 2 can charge in 3 different ways. It can charge by the lightning cable, it can charge by any wireless charger, and finally, it can charge by the Apple Watch charger. Now let's set up this AirPods Pro 2 on my iPhone. Yes, I'm using the iPhone 12. I might upgrade to the 14, I am not sure as yet. Half of me wants to upgrade, then the next half is saying wait until the 15 or the 16 to upgrade. Anyways, let's connect to the AirPods Pro 2. First thing first, your Bluetooth needs to be on, so let's go down to your control panel and make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Then just simply open the case with your AirPods inside and hold it next to your device. Then follow the on-screen instruction and then tap done once you're done. To take off your ear tip, all you need to do is pull on the ear tip like this. You might feel like you're going to break it, but that's how it is, so feel free to apply more force if needed. And to put it on, all you need to do is line it up and push it down until you hear a click. To double check that it's really in place, just pull on it slightly to make sure that it doesn't come off easily. The touch control on the AirPods Pro 2 are really useful. A single tap will play or pause your audio, a double tap will skip forward, and a triple tap will skip backward. If you tap and hold, it will change the mode to either noise cancellation or transparency mode. If you want, you can also tap and hold to activate Siri. If you want to see what mode you are in on your AirPods Pro 2, you can simply swipe down to your control panel and press and hold on your AirPods Pro 2, and you'll see that you'll either have noise cancellation mode on or transparency mode on, and you can also have spatial audio on. Alright guys, so we're going to test the Find My feature, which is a speaker feature. So to do that, I'm going to put it in my drawer right here and put it under some clothes, and then close the drawer and go on my Find My app. So drawers right there and I'm right here. So I'm going to go to my Find My app real quick, and I'm going to click on my AirPods Pro, and I'm going to click on Find. And it's saying it's 4 feet away, which I'm guessing is roughly 4 feet away, but I want to use the speaker, so let's use the speaker right now and see if we can hear it from here. I am hearing it, guys, loud and clear. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I'm 5 feet away and I can hear it loud and clear. Also, guys, I could walk towards it and you can see I get closer and closer as I get closer and closer, and you can see it is nearby. And let's say I'm here and I'm like, where is it? I just press and I could say, oh, it's in the jaw somewhere there, and I could just open the jaw like this, and then I could also press that sound again, and I could say, wait, let me hear again, and then I would say, oh, it's just right there, and I would find it right there, which is really nice. All right guys, let's say you lost your AirPods Pro under the bed or somewhere dark, like right there, it's kind of dark, and you go ahead and you go to Find My again and just play that sound. You will hear it under the bed, but not only you'll hear it under the bed, you'll also see a light flash. So let me show you it while the light is flashing. So if you press the sound, you see the light is also flashing, which can be really helpful if the place is really dark. So yeah, that's a cool feature, guys. Alright guys, so even though we're in a controlled environment, I'm going to test out the spatial audio, noise cancellation, and the transparency mode. So I'm going to go down to my control panel, press and hold there, and I'm going to see noise cancellation, which is on right now. I'm going to turn it off. I can hear much of a bigger difference. I can hear my voice now as I'm talking. And if I go to noise cancellation, I'm not really hearing my voice. I'm hearing my voice, but it sounds very like low. And if I go to transparency, I can hear my voice like louder. It's like I'm talking to a microphone. I'm hearing myself through a speaker basically, which sounds really good. And let's turn on by noise cancellation, and noise cancellation is on now. I sound really different. I sound really low. I can also turn on my spatial audio to extract, fix, on and off. I can listen to some music while I'm doing that. I did already, so I'm gonna put those clips right there. Alright guys, so just a quick microphone test. So I'm gonna call this phone right now and see how it sounds while I'm talking. Alright, so now I'm talking on the phone. So I'm gonna come out of the room and put it on speaker and let you guys listen to it. Alright, so this is me talking on the AirPods Pro 2, and I'm gonna switch to my regular phone microphone. Alright, so now this is me talking on my regular phone microphone. Let me know which one sounds better. Is it the AirPods Pro 2 or is it my microphone on my phone? Let me know in the comment section. My first impressions on the AirPods Pro 2 is that they really surprised me. Because while watching the event, I thought that Apple was just overhyping the new generation of the AirPods Pro 2 because they barely add any changes. But those few changes and improvements are very much worth it, trust me. The sound quality is something to talk about. Like, wow, I wish you could hear these. The noise cancellation is definitely the best I've experienced, and the transparency mode works so flawlessly and knows how to adapt to noisy environments. One of these new features that made me buy the AirPods Pro 2 was the Find My options. Now you can find your AirPods Pro 2 in so many ways. It has a light that flashes to find it. It also has a speaker that will make a sound to find it, and it also has this new chip that you can use to track your earpads as if it was an ear tag. So yeah, no more buying those crazy AirPods case that has the ear tags holder in it, because this has a ear tag built in. That is it for this video, guys. Feel free to ask me any questions about the AirPods Pro 2 in the comment section. If after watching this video you are still undecided if you want to buy the AirPods Pro 2, then check this video out. Thanks for watching. Peace.